let's talk about reaching the barbecue enthusiast online and why timing is everything. For many brands in America, Canada, and the UK, barbecue season lasts just a few short months. But in markets like Australia, Latin America, and Asia, grilling isn't seasonal, it's every day. So whether you're planning for a peak summer push or running campaigns year-round, the challenge remains the same: reaching high-intent barbecue cooks at the exact moment they're planning and getting ready to grill. That's where Gourmet Ads comes in. With our barbecue and grilling recipe targeting, you can connect with barbecue enthusiasts when they're actively planning what to cook. Whether it's backyard barbecues, weekend smokers, or weeknight grilling recipes, we place your brand right alongside the content that inspires purchase decisions. Think beyond just grills. We cover the full grilling ecosystem, from barbecues, wood and pellet smokers, to charcoal, marinades, spices, and rubs, plus accessories like thermometers, foil trays, and grilling gadgets. And of course, the food itself, like meats, poultry, and seafood. Built at the individual page level, our contextual targeting places your ads alongside highly relevant grilling and barbecue content, right when consumers are planning their next cook. And when paired with advanced measurement and analysis, we'll help you understand what drives conversions, then use retargeting to remind high-intent shoppers to complete their purchase. For brand marketers, our team can create a unique media plan designed to capture demand when it matters most. For programmatic buyers, activation is seamless through deals across all DSPs. So, whether you're maximizing a short summer surge or driving always-on grilling campaigns globally, we help you reach consumers at the exact moment they're ready to fire up the grill. Let's activate a strategy together that captures high-intent grilling audiences and delivers results across every stage of the funnel. Start by booking a call with our team today.